Hi everyone, wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Welcome to Perfect Smiles with me, Dr. Sarah. I have been repeatedly asked by friends, by viewers on this channel, by my patients about tooth whitening with natural products. Most commonly, I get asked about tooth whitening with baking soda, more commonly known as bicarbonate of soda in the UK, and lemon juice. There is a reason why I've taken the time to make this video for you today, and why it is so important. And I urge you all to watch it right until the end to make sure you get all the information you need from this important video. Before I start this video, if the subscribe button below me on the left is still red, I'd like you to press on it and switch it to a happy grey colour. When you type tooth whitening into YouTube, the most viewed videos are the natural home whitening remedies, which I can completely understand, and I know why there's a demand for this. We all like natural after all. However, natural doesn't always mean good and safe for your teeth in the long run, and this is the crucial bit. The most viewed video on YouTube for tooth whitening, which has 42 million views, is all about how you whiten teeth with baking soda and lime juice. With so many hits and views on these videos, you'd think there must be some truth in all of this. Surely it works, and surely it's safe. To fully understand this topic, I'm going to have to talk about baking soda and lemon juice separately, and why they're combined so frequently in these home whitening videos, and if they're safe. The sad fact is that most of the information that you will see on the internet and in YouTube videos about whitening with baking soda and lemon juice is false. If you're concerned about the health of your teeth, your gums and your smile, then please keep watching this video right until the end, because you're going to be receiving some crucial information. So firstly, let's start off with baking soda. It's a fairly soft, powdery substance. So that's kind of like what it looks like. And if you do a quick internet search on baking soda, a lot of the results will say that baking soda is extremely abrasive, mustn't use it for your teeth at all, it will damage your teeth. And let's just get into the facts here. So why do people assume that baking soda is so abrasive? If you've ever tried putting baking soda on a toothbrush and some water, you will find that it feels extremely gritty. This is part of the reason why people think it's extremely abrasive on your teeth. A baking soda particle is actually 15 times larger than a silica particle, which is commonly what you'll find in a toothpaste. So silica particles are often used in toothpaste to act as stain removal substances. So silica particles are actually 2 to 3 times harder than baking soda. Every material on Earth, practically, has a hardness score, and baking soda has a hardness score of 2.5. The enamel on your teeth, which is one of the hardest substances in the world, has a hardness score of 5. Silica, that we use in toothpaste, actually has a hardness score of 5 to 7. So effectively, baking soda is good at removing stains from your teeth, because usually the particles in the baking soda are hard enough just to remove those stains of coffee and tea and anything else that might stain your teeth. So while baking soda may seem harmless, the important thing to remember is that it really needs to be used with extreme caution. There is a correct way to use it, and also the type of baking soda you're using is very important. There's actually a dental grade baking soda and a non-dental grade baking soda, and the particle size of these does differ. If you are using baking soda to whiten your teeth, you need to make sure that it's diluted with water really well. Secondly, you need to brush your teeth very gently with it. I wouldn't recommend using it every day at all. If you are using baking soda as a means of cleaning your teeth to remove stains, you still need to make sure you're brushing twice a day with a normal fluoride toothpaste. Toothpastes like these, they actually contain fluoride, and fluoride is extremely important in maintaining your dental health, in keeping your teeth strong, in killing bacteria. Baking soda alone has none of these properties, and it just isn't enough to keep your teeth healthy. So you have to be using toothpaste twice a day. And if you're brushing and scrubbing really hard with this, then you can actually cause damage to your gums, because while it's a soft material, it is hard on your gums, so you can cause gum recession, which is not good. Once the gums have receded, you can't grow them back again naturally. So in summary, while baking soda may be good at removing stains, it certainly doesn't protect your teeth against cavities. It can damage your gums. If used incorrectly, it can damage the enamel on your teeth. Enamel, again, can't grow back. Once enamel is gone from your teeth, it's gone. Also, baking soda doesn't taste as good as what a toothpaste might taste like, and it does have that gritty feel. So now let's talk about the ridiculous claim that baking soda actually whitens your teeth. So like I've said, baking soda will not whiten your natural tooth color. It will simply remove the existing stains on your teeth. So now there's an additional ridiculous claim that you will find on the internet that using lemon juice or lime juice, or even worse, apple cider vinegar and lime juice used on your teeth together with baking soda. There is a claim that these components combined together on a toothbrush used for 2 minutes. You know, some people recommend doing it every day. Some people recommend doing it once a week. Some people recommend doing it twice a week. Do not ever use this combination. Lemons, organic cider vinegar, this is just wrong, okay? Let me explain why. Firstly, lemon juice, lime juice, apple cider vinegar, these are extremely acidic. And why are acids bad for us? So our mouth naturally has a neutral pH. Normally the pH in our mouth is about 7. Lime juice has a pH of about 2. What happens when the pH in our mouth drops? The enamel on our teeth softens. It gets very soft, and the longer you leave these substances on your teeth, the softer your enamel will get. Now then you bring along something like baking soda, which is abrasive, so it does have that grittiness, and you combine it with your toothbrush and you scrub your enamel for 2 minutes, and you're scrubbing away quite happily while the enamel's softening up. And what's going to happen? Your enamel is going to get brushed away each time you do that, and the enamel won't come back again. So this is why I recommend no one to ever do this. Maybe you won't notice the difference in your enamel surface after doing it maybe once or twice, but I can pretty much guarantee that you will notice a difference if you continue doing this for every day for a week, or every day for a month, or even a few times a month. It is not safe, so please do not do this. The thing about YouTube videos is that they advocate using these products as a natural tooth whitening product. I want to tell you, these are not natural. They're about as natural as a scorpion bite. You don't want to go near these things with your teeth, okay? This is going to cause major problems. The last thing you want is to have permanent damage to the enamel of your teeth. You can get sensitivity, it can increase your chances of tooth decay, it will cause a whole range of problems, it can even damage your gums. So, in summary, please don't believe everything you see on the internet. Just because a video has 42 million views, it doesn't mean that what they're saying is true or correct or it should be followed. There is medical advice, there is research that goes on behind the scenes. Thousands and millions of pounds goes into medical and dental research every day. And there is a reason why dentists are qualified to give advice on tooth whitening, and why we can't advocate things like these, because it will simply damage your teeth. Dentists do like to help their patients. We are here to help you and to give you the best possible treatment. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful and informative, and that next time you're on YouTube, you will be careful with the videos that you believe and you follow. And yeah, thanks again, and keep watching. Subscribe for more useful videos and information, and see you soon. Take care. Bye.